We've got Jessica Hawkins here, and we're gonna get our two-seater Gen 6 Hendrick Motorsports Valvoline Chevrolet out today on the Roval and get to go make some laps.
I can't believe I'm gonna get to drive one, especially with Jeff Gordon, obviously a complete legend.
It's gonna be a steep learning curve, but she's gonna have a lot of fun. Just take everything that she knows about a Formula One car and get rid of it. Empty your brain of that.
Formula One's a little bit more intricate and fine-tuned, I guess. This is raw, this is almost old school.
And I just put pressure on it and I go.
Just seeing second all the way through here. Really rough in the back, so the back end is hopping all over the place as you can feel.
Valvoline, they love bringing racers together, and that's the beauty of this.
Good, it's so cool.
You're good to go.
This is sick.
I love to hear that. You're doing awesome. Yes!
Amazing, literally amazing. Thank you very, very much.